Hi everybody, this is Will Jones, and today I'm here with Teamfirework.
Thank you. We came here to be famous.
Hi. Do you know what I did yesterday? I have a bang. A true bang. And this time it wasn't a girl, it was two guys. And what do I say, girl? It's always guys. Bye from me.
Well, much good. What do I say now? Well, as you know, I'm young. I forgot what I was gonna say. Sorry. But nobody is with the guy. Gay. And the gay over there is gay. Totally gay.
What?
So what are you doing in your free time till example weekends?
We make videos and sometimes hang out with each other to the bar.
But nobody hang out with me. And I don't know why. I just like to have some guys near me. Feel the naked body.
I'm a little bit angry today, and sad because of my mother yesterday. Excuse me, I cannot leave me alone.
And now to the weather woman.